Um, because of this stupid spider bite and all the downtime and going to the hospital and going to, being on those meds and stuff. I had a lot of downtime. So during the downtime, I put, a break, put like 3 hockey breaks, a baseball break, and a football break on my channel. So, my private channel. With guys that have been doing breaks with me for like 6, 7, 8 years. So, I just wanted to say I'm going to break. They've been full for a couple of days, but I've been down with this ear thing. I ran out of medicine. Some of it fell in the garbage. I hit my head and it's boing, 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 like you got water in your ear from when you go swimming. So I've still been out of it. Anyways, so I'm going to pause this. I'm going to get the team list, and I'm going to break, and I'm going to open them up, and then I'm going to sleeve them with the camera off because you don't need to see that. I'm going to sleeve all 99 cards. This is the box with 99 cards, right? Or is that the blaster box? I forget. I get them mixed up. Look for exclusive royal blue base parallels inside. Series 2. Oh, almost forgot. I was ready to start breaking it up. I forgot to say the names of the people on the break. What this is doing. Could this be the ultimate consequence of the astrologer's prediction? Dejected, they had back towards him. Not even that. Unfortunately, something turns. Okay, here it is. This is kind of weird. I got the screen on a mini. It's a real teeny tiny mini screen. And then I got the spreadsheet around it. But you can't see that. All right. People in this break are Joe A., Arizona, Atlanta, Terry F., Baltimore, Mr. Shim, Boston, UJ, Cubs, Mark G, Sox, Jason P, Reds, Steve G, Cleveland, CW, Colorado, Scott Ball, Detroit, Dino G, Houston, John H, Kansas City, Crawman, LA Angels, CW again, second team, LAD, Donna M, Miami, Marty Mick, Milwaukee, LN. I can barely read this because it's at the end of the sheet here. All right, Marty Mick, Milwaukee, LN, Minnesota, Dave Z, Mets, CW, third team, John H, second team, Robbie A, second team, Marty Z, second team, Jeff J for Pittsburgh. Oh, sorry, I didn't say the teams. Mets, CW, Yanks, John H, Oakland, Robbie A, Philadelphia, Marty Z, Jeff J for Pittsburgh, St. Louis Pokerman. I thought it said Pokemon. St. Louis Pokerman. San Diego, Hank Johnson. San Francisco, Dickie C. Seattle, Sandra D. Tampa Bay and Texas, both for Joe C. Colleen W. for the Blue Jays. And we got our fourth girl of the break, Bridget W. with Washington Nationals. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to break this, show the packs. I guess I should open the packs too. I don't know. But I'm not gonna film me sleeving the cards up for everybody. I really don't even have to sleeve all of them up, just the good ones, but for now, I'm going to sleeve them all up. Just because this is my first baseball break in a long time. All the freebies that I did were all hockey over the last 2 years. I don't know why. This is giving me a hard time, but I'm not sure why. Because I don't have my X-Acto knife, that's why. So I went looking for it, I couldn't find it. There we go. Now it's so small, I gotta see it myself. There we go. I'm gonna guess 14 packs, 16 packs. I really don't know. It's the first one that I've opened. I've been buying all these cards for 3 months now. I haven't opened anything. Probably 4 or 5 months. Empty box. Okay, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 in each column. So, alright. Might as well open them. Show the good cards and then sleeve them. Pause it and then sleeve them. Alright, first pack. There are 16 cards. 16, that's like 256. Alright, oh Jesus. These things are sun. I didn't put the light on. Alright, I'll just see if there's any hits. Okay, we got a Mike Schmidt insert of all the players. That goes out to Marty Z. Alright. I didn't see any rookies in the pack. I'll double check. No. No rookies. Oh, there was Bobby Dahlbeck. That goes to UJ. That was it, one rookie in that whole pack. Alright. Pack number 2. Alright. Looking for rookies. No rookies, no rookies. No insert, no hit. Well, there's going to be at least one hit. There we go. It is a Alex Bregman, some kind of cloth card. T6524. Feels like one of those cloth cards. T65 means Topps 1965 design. But I don't know. I don't know what series it. No rookie cards. The whole pack, not one. Wow. Alright. Usually I'd turn the camera and show everything, but I'm just doing this for speed. There's only 6 minutes left in the video. And maybe, oh, that's what I should do. I should pause it, open the pack, look, pause it. That way it'll save me time. Alright, no rookies. Wait, there's one. Who is this? Marlins. Oh, Jazz Chisholm. Alright, we got a hit. Red, white, and blue card. Andrew Miller, I'm not sure. I think it's Andrew Miller. And then a 65 for Bellinger. And then rookies, no rookies, no. Oh, there's a rookie. Weird. 1, then 0, then 3. Drew Bassmuser? Don't even know who that is. Alright, pause. At the very last card, we got a rookie. I thought it was that really good pitcher, but it was Ryan Weathers or something. from the Padres, Ryan Weathers. And the hits were Alex Kirilloff, 86, and the 65, Jacob deGrom. So congratulations, Mets guy. All right, pause again. That might be Shohei Ohtani. Nope. Jared Walsh. Okay, this was a good pack. There was that Walsh guy that took over for Pujols, a numbered card of Tom Glavine, a thick one, numbered to like what was it, 240? It was, oh, I'm sorry, 40 of 199. And then there was a Jazz Chisholm rookie and a Yankee Florial rookie. So that was a good pack. Pause again. Okay, there was 3 good cards in this. Well, there was a Yu Darvish, but that was the first time I seen him in a Padres uniform. There was a Jose Altuve short print. There was a Tyler Stevenson chrome card, and then there was a Fernando Tatis 1965 card. So that was a pretty good pack, actually. Pause. All right, there was a bronze Dustin May numbered to 2021. There was a blue parallel. Who was this? Adair Hansen. I don't know who that is. And 65 Ian Anderson. So pretty good. Couple good hits. Okay, there was a rookie Clark Schmidt from the Yankees. Then there was 3 hits. Aaron Judge home run card. Ken Griffey Jr. 86 All-Star card, and then a 65 Eloy Jimenez, and then there was a rookie from the Marlins, Braxton Garrett, I think his name was. All right, so 2 rookies and 3 inserts. That was 5-hit pack. Good pack. Okay, I'm back now. Those first 8 packs. Here's all the hits. It averaged 4 hits per pack. Then the second half of the box, like the first 5 or 6 packs, was like hardly anything. It was like averaging like less than 3 hits a pack. Well, I got to pack number 16, and not only was there hits, but there was 7 rookie cards in the pack. The last 3 packs gave me 22 hits. So, and it's crazy. All right, really quick. Miggy Cabrera, Ripken, Joe Adell, 65. Rookie. The one, that Trevor guy from that Trevor Rogers or whatever his name was. We got one of him. Bronze card. Blue card. I don't have time. Francisco Lindor, 65. Rookie. Nolan Arenado, 65. Rookie. That's the pack with 7 rookies in a row. Craig Biggio, top 70. Jesus Luzardo, 65 card. Rookie. Key Brian Hayes, that's a nice one. One of those 86 specials. Rookie card. Yadier Molina. Rookie. I forget the Dodger guy. Blue parallel Dodger. Bo Bichette, 65. Prism. Corey DeSever. Judge, 65. Sixto Sanchez, 65. And I don't even know why they make cards of this guy. He sucks. Everyone thinks he's so good, but he's a choker. Trust me. Had him on fantasy teams. He sucks. All right. That's the break. If anyone wants me to show anything up close, I'll make another video, but that's a good one.